Well, I've been chilling out and came back in here to check on the printer. So just an observation, I understand that this is a test print to help you level your bed, but it does not seem like it was designed very well. It's been running for almost 3 hours and it's going to be done here hopefully soon after it finishes one or two more of these lengths of this target. Now the thing is stupid thick, and so if I felt more comfortable fiddling with this G-code and decompiling it and getting this sliced out, I would try and thin it down. But honestly, 3 hours to test a test print, that's just totally unacceptable. Other than that minor complaint, I mean, the printer is printing pretty amazingly. Now, granted, I haven't done any of the automatic assisted bed leveling. I'm going to give that a go after this thing eventually finishes. It's at 97%, and I mean, I'm hoping it'll be done soon. But for something that you're printing to help calibrate, doesn't seem like it's very user-friendly. Now, could I cancel the print and start over? Sure, I could. But I don't think that that's the point. The point is you designed a print to be printed for a calibration, and you made it insanely long to print. Because the instructions, they don't talk about how you can cancel out before or anything like that. And so, I mean, you could, obviously, but it's whatever. So anyway, this thing's going to be wrapped up here soon, and then I will be trying out this auto level device. So we'll see what happens. It should be pretty straightforward from what I've read. So anyway, just wanted to chime in with my 2 cents on some of their decisions as a company. I mean, hopefully they'll get back to me and give me another kilogram or 2 kilograms of filament, because I ordered the printer with 2.5 kilograms and I got half of a kilogram, so it's kind of lame. But other than that, the test print is coming out amazingly. Looks over here now, so you can get a good look at it. I mean, it looks solid. Obviously none of these layers really matter much, because it was the first and second layer that I was really worried about. So those are the ones that I watched like a hawk. But yeah, I know where I need to make my adjustments, and I'm going to do this auto level thing, and we'll see if it happens.